This session is for second year MBA Business Analytics students, third SEM Python subject, Module-1 Introduction to Python Data and Control System. So here we have computer hardware architecture. So first we will see input and output devices. So here this is simply a screen, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, microphone, speaker, touchpad, etc. They all are the ways we interact with the computer. Like we type from the keyboard, this is the input, and mouse also. We click whichever is required. We are giving the instruction to the PC. Next we have the central processing unit. This is CPU is the part of computer that is built to be obsessed with what is next. So if your computer is rated at 3.0 gigahertz, it means that the CPU will ask what next 3 billion times per second. So you have to learn how to talk fast to keep up with the CPU. So whatever instructions you're giving to the computer, the next CPU will ask what is next, what is next, what need to be executed. Next we have the main memory. Here it is used to store information that the CPU needs in a hurry. The memory is nearly as fast as the CPU, but the information stored in the main memory vanishes when the computer is turned off. So here whenever whatever instructions we are giving, it is stored. Everything is stored in the main memory, and it is we can retrieve it faster. But once the CPU is off, then we cannot retrieve from the computer. It just vanishes off. Next we have the secondary memory. Here it is used to store the information, but it is much slower than the main memory. The advantage of secondary memory is that it can store information even when there is no power to the computer. So example of secondary memory are the disk drive or flash memory, typically found in the USB sticks and portable music players. Next we have the network. So nowadays everyone are using network connection to retrieve the information over a network. So we can think of the network as a very slow place to store and retrieve data that might not always be up. So in a sense the network is slower and at times unreliable form of a secondary memory. This is all for the session. Next we will see in the next session.